Most people think a happy fiddle leaf fig is about luck, but it's not luck, it's a language.
A language of light, water, and soil. And once you learn its 3 basic words, you can give it exactly what it needs every single time. Let's become fluent. The biggest mistake new owners make is watering on a strict schedule. Your plant isn't a robot, its needs change. The secret is to listen, not command. We do this with a method called soak and dry.
Think of it this way. Plant roots need to breathe oxygen, just like we do. If the soil is constantly wet, the roots are essentially trying to breathe underwater. That's what we call root rot. By letting the top few inches of soil dry out, we allow those roots to take a deep breath before their next drink.
Here's the pro tip to know exactly when it's thirsty. Forget just using your finger. A wooden skewer tells you the whole story. Push it all the way to the bottom of the pot. If it comes out clean and dry, it's time to water. If it comes out with dark, moist soil sticking to it, your plant is telling you, not yet, I'm good.
In the last video, we found the golden spot. Now we need to make sure every part of the plant gets to enjoy it. Plants are living solar panels. They will physically lean and stretch towards the light.
To prevent this and encourage even, straight growth, you need to rotate it.
It's simple. Every time you water, give it a quarter turn. By linking these 2 habits together, you'll never forget. A quarter turn each time you water ensures every leaf gets its moment in the sun over the course of a month.
Finally, let's talk about the foundation. You could have perfect light and water, but with the wrong soil, your plant will struggle. Standard potting mix is often too dense. It's like a wet sponge that never lets the roots breathe. We want a soil mix that's chunky and airy. Think less mud pie and more trail mix. This allows water to flow through easily while still holding enough moisture and creates air pockets for those roots to breathe. A simple recipe is 1 part potting mix, 1 part perlite for drainage, and 1 part orchid bark for airiness. But not everyone wants to be a soil chemist, and that's okay. Look for pre-made Aroid mix or jungle mix online or at your local nursery. They are designed for plants that love chunky, airy soil, and they work perfectly for fiddle leaf figs. Mastering these 3 words, water, light, and soil, is like learning the rhythm of your plant's heart. You're not just following rules, you're building a bond. And now that you know the rhythm, you're ready to understand its more complex sentences. Next time, we'll dive into what your fiddle leaf fig is truly telling you through its leaves. Ready to continue our fiddle leaf fig journey together? Show some love with a like and subscribe so you don't miss part 3. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.